Do not postpone the hour of mercy. Do not stop from receiving the grace of restoration. So when you find yourself in the wrong place, change course immediately. Scripture says, do not delay turning to the Lord, nor postpone it from day to day. It is no news that you are weak. It is no surprise to God you missed the mark. St. Mother Teresa of Calcutta once said, Christ knows your weakness. He wants only your love, wants only the chance to love you. That's just who God is. He just wants you back, wants your love. He loves you too. God loves you. God bless you. Thanks for watching. Stay inspired.